Hello, welcome back to Win CompXM 2024-2025 Top 10 Winning Tips Round 4. This video gives the details guide and tip for round 4 to get the top result. Round 4 is simple because we have did round 1 and 2 and 3 correctly. I show you the details now. So for round 4, you see on the screen we keep update the product using the industry condition report here and the Excel file here. If you want, you can check the details in the last video 1, 2, 3, especially video 1. So you get the number here, you put into the R&D. It's quite simple, right? And for the marketing, it's also simple because we are having the top sale and top profit. So reduce the price by 50 cents. If you want, you can check the Excel file to keep track of the price, right? And also take the previous, especially the video for our one, you understand the key things, right? And we maintain the strong promotion and sale. And also we calculate the sale forecast based on the unit we sold from last round here. You see, last round we sell unit we sold here and inventory is here. And then you see that we have top sale and top profit in here. Yeah, top price. You see that is price for our 1, 2, and 3. And now we go here, our 4 we go up here around 140 and 50 and maybe higher. And you get to see that we get very high sales here, 351, much higher than competitors, and very high profit here, 36 million, much higher than the second strong competitors, right? So right strategy, just keep going. And for the production, we have the sale forecast calculated here and inventories here. You can use the Excel file to calculate that for our 4. You see, we get the number for the demand forecast and production here. So we just input into the game. So for the production here, but because use the demand forecast here and inventories here, we get the production schedule. And this is the last round, we don't have to buy more capacity, so keep it the same. And so we update the automation to the optimal number, right? So 10 for the trip, 8 for the core, nano elite 6, right? And for the HR, we keep 5,080 hours because we have the best workforce. And for the finance, round 4 is the last round, so we can now we have very high sale, high profit, and a lot of cash in hand. So we buy back the stock here, we pay strong dividends here, and we pay back here retire long-term debt. We pay back 60,000. We keep around 100 million here. That's a safe amount to avoid any case of emergency loan. We never get that, right? Because keep safe amount of cash. For TQM, use 1,000 or around that. You can adjust to optimize if you like. And you see the income statement here. Very high sales and 52% of contribution margin and nearly 21% of net profit, right? Yeah, lead the game with top results, right? So that's overview guide for on the 4 rounds of CompXM. If you look on the 4 videos series here, you can understand CompXM, and then you can do that. Yeah, with very high and top result. Remember, do not copy the number and paste into the game because the CompXM different from student to student. I show you the strategy, explain you the details you understand, so we can continue to do that with your game. If you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com and get the free support for our English one. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.